and Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wise County in north central Texas, northeastern Peck County in north central Texas until 2 a.m. At 12:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newport, or 12 miles southwest of Bowie, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 16 miles per hour wind gusts and $5 hail. Source, rainfall indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Newport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for north central Texas.